Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because in this video it's related to a DIY painting set. So recently I went to Dollarama to get few stuff for DIYs for Christmas, and then I saw this beautiful and amazing Nutcracker paint set, and this was only for $4.75, which is amazing for this. And it has a wooden nutcracker and 6 paints and a brush and some fur to use it on the nutcracker. I am so excited. I feel like a kid who wants to just get home and start painting. And in today's video we are going to paint this little nutcracker and see how it turns out. Let's go. So I've already got a few references from Pinterest how to paint this, and I'm so excited. And this is the view from my window. So here I'm just covering my table with paper so that my table doesn't get dirty. And I must tell you, it was so hard to open these colors. And I started by using white, yellow and red to make the skin color. But I did not like the vibrancy of the colors, the pigmentation, and you can see it in the red color, and I straight away declined using these paints and I used my own acrylic colors instead, and they look so much better. Now please watch me painting and enjoy some Christmas music. So now I'm going to use my own acrylic Fevicryl metallic golden color, and I'm going to use it to give more details to this nutcracker. And in no certain order, I'm just making patterns that I feel will look good and just going with the flow, giving more and more details. So please watch it till the end how it looks. Did it, and I'm so excited to show you how it looks. Okay, so the little boy looks like this. Oh my god, I cannot believe how it has turned out. It looks so pretty, and it doesn't look like I got it for $4.75. It looks so much more expensive, and I've used some studs, some golden studs, okay, on the shoulders, on the crown here also. And I've used golden, black and red color, just 3 colors, and yes, for the eyes, white and blue also. And if you're wondering, this hair, white hair, and this, they were all inclusive in the set, but I did not use the same colors because you will see it in the video. They're just not that bright. They are very, very transparent kind of colors, which I did not like, and I did not want to spoil it and also put my hard work. So I chose to use my own acrylic colors, and this is how it looks. I'm so happy. And it is removable. You can remove it also. If you guys enjoy my video, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me and gives me so much more motivation to make more such videos. So please do that. And I'm gonna have more videos coming up for Christmas, so stay tuned. Bye bye.